What's up, everyone, and welcome back to RedTechFo. Today, we're re-diving into a build that feels like it has been pulled straight from the future. Feast your eyes on this absolute masterpiece. We're talking about a custom hardline loop that's not just functional, but a true work of art. The way the coolant flows through these meticulously bent tubes, illuminated by a symphony of RGB, is just mesmerizing. It's more than a PC. It's a statement piece. We've spent weeks perfecting every single detail, from the fittings to the fluid, ensuring that every angle showcases the raw power contained within. This isn't just about looks, though. This aesthetic is the first hint at the sheer performance we're about to unleash. Stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss what's under the hood. All right, let's pull back the curtain and talk about the heart of this beast. Powering this rig is the brand new, and I mean fresh off the line, NVIDIA RTX 5090. This GPU is an absolute monster, designed to crush any game or creative workload you throw at it. Paired with it is AMD's latest flagship, the Ryzen 9 9900X CPU. This processor redefines multi-core performance, making multitasking feel instantaneous. And to feed these two powerhouses, we've equipped the system with next-generation DDR6 RAM running at blistering speeds. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a generational leap. Every component in this build has been selected for one reason: to deliver uncompromising performance without a single bottleneck. This is the new pinnacle of high-end PC hardware. Now for my favorite part, where innovation truly shines. This build features a revolutionary AI-driven cooling system. Forget setting manual fan curves. This system uses a network of thermal sensors and a dedicated AI controller to learn your usage patterns. Watch this. As I launch a CPU-intensive benchmark, you can see the thermal readings on the screen. The AI instantly detects the increased load and proactively adjusts the fan speeds and pump RPMs in real time. It's not just reactive, it's predictive. It anticipates thermal spikes and smooths out the curve for optimal cooling with minimal noise. Now, as I close the application, notice how gracefully the system quiets down. It finds the perfect equilibrium, keeping your components frosty during intense sessions and whisper quiet when you're just browsing. This is intelligent cooling, and it's a game changer for enthusiasts who demand both power and peace. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Let's get to the numbers. We're running a gauntlet of the latest 808 titles at 4K, max settings, with ray tracing cranked all the way up. Look at these FPS charts. We are consistently hitting frame rates that were previously unimaginable, delivering an incredibly smooth and immersive experience. In titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Alan Wake 2, we're seeing a massive performance uplift thanks to the RTX 5090 and DDR6 memory. But high frames are useless if your system is thermal throttling. Check out the thermal overlay. Even after an hour of non-stop gaming, our CPU and GPU temperatures are staying well within the optimal range. The AI cooling, combined with this custom loop, is doing its job flawlessly, maintaining peak performance without breaking a sweat. This isn't just playable. This is a competitive edge. Feeling inspired? Want to build something similar for yourself? We've got you covered. Let's walk through the key components you'll need to create your own next-gen powerhouse. On the screen now is a complete list of everything we used in this build, from the motherboard and power supply to the exact fittings and tubing for the custom loop. We've chosen a motherboard with a robust VRM to handle the 9900X and plenty of high-speed connectivity. The power supply has more than enough wattage to comfortably power the 5090, even with transient spikes. We'll also link to all these parts in the description below so you can easily find them. Remember, building a PC like this is a journey, and having the right parts list is the first and most crucial step. Take a screenshot, save the links, and start planning your dream rig. A build this beautiful deserves a light show to match. Let's dive into the RGB and power management software. We're using a unified software suite to control every single light source in this system: the fans, the RAM, the GPU, the motherboard, and even the pump reservoir combo. As you can see, we can create incredibly complex and synchronized lighting effects that flow seamlessly across the entire build. From a simple static color to a dynamic rainbow wave or an audio visualizer effect, the possibilities are endless. Beyond the pretty lights, the software also gives us granular control over power management. We can set different power profiles for gaming, content creation, or idle states. This allows us to maximize performance when we need it and optimize for energy efficiency when we don T, all with a single click. It's the ultimate command center for your PC. Two often overlooked aspects of a high-end build are noise level and energy efficiency. Let's put this machine to the test. I have a decibel meter here to measure the system's noise output. Right now, at idle, with the AI cooling doing its thing, it's practically silent. You can barely hear it running. Now, let's put it under a full synthetic load, simulating the most intense gaming session. Even with the fans and pump ramped up, the noise level is incredibly low for the amount of heat being dissipated. This is thanks to the high-quality fans and the efficiency of the large radiators. Now for power draw. On screen is a comparison of the system's energy consumption versus a last-gen high-end build. Despite its massive performance increase, the efficiency of the new components means it's surprisingly power-conscious, especially during normal use. You get more power without a shocking electricity bill. And that SA wrap on what might be the most powerful and intelligent PC we have ever built here at the studio. From its stunning aesthetics and custom loop to the groundbreaking performance of the RTX 5090 and the AI-driven cooling, this machine is truly in a class of its own. It is a testament to what is possible when you combine the best hardware with meticulous craftsmanship and a vision for the future of PC building. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive and feel inspired for your next project. Remember, at RedTechFo, it's where power meets precision. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this build, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next one.